Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Y'all know what today is? It's Designing Day. Kia ora, kia ora, kia ora, kia ora. Cheers to everyone that joined the art stream last night. We got quite a bit done too. So if you didn't tune in last night, we did this. So we got all the art stuff done. Hey, what's up, chicken fries? And good morning to Harvey as well over on YouTube. Kia ora, kia ora. So we got all of that done. Good morning, Jaden. Nathan saying, Chubby Gecko. Hey, how you, Gecko? Long time no see, brother. So this is what we're up to today. We are designing. Today, Cherry Lala. The design we will be doing is Taratara Akai. Yeah, it's pretty cold, eh? But, you know, my stream ain't gonna stream itself. So that's what we're up to today. So we're doing a bit of design work today. What time is it there? It is currently 9:48 in the morning. 9:48 in the morning. Alright. No morning coffee. I just thought I better hurry up and start. Alright. Just hurry up and start. I think chat. How is everyone over on YouTube? Hey Brooks, watching from Lebanon. Kia ora, brother. Where's everyone from today? Holy guacamole, Sergeant Suicide are coming in with the 10 bomb, bro. We just started the stream, my brother. Oh, what an absolute legend, my bro. Thank you very much for that. I'm just trying to get us a shot without the sun, because it's kind of cucking it right now. Yo, thank you very much, my bro. How are you, though? Hope you've been well, my bro. Can never let you know it. Yeah, appreciate that, my bro. Straight up. California. My stuff is lagging, so probably can't stay long. It's all good, man. It's all good. So this is what we're doing today. Designing the hoi. Wait. So, we had a bit of an art stream last night. I really enjoyed it. It was nice and cozy. Nice cozy vibe. I think I'm gonna keep doing it, eh? I think when it comes to like some of the carvings that I do, and when we have a bit of drawing to do, I think those will be the inside streams for the channel nowadays. Cause bro, I really enjoyed it, eh? The whole vibe of it all. And everyone was just chilling out, asking questions, which was nice too. Let's gotta get another chisel and we're away. Hello everyone in chat, hope you're having a good day. You too, pizza. Nice piece, bro. Thank you, BHN. Hey, what's up, Sepuklo? So today we are dual streaming once again, Fano, on the YouTube. So if you're not following the YouTube already, go through and give it a follow. I'm planning on cutting up some of this VOD today with the designing process. I just need to go and get a pencil. Alright, carrying on. One thing I'm planning to do, I need to check as well. Whoever, like in the future, I think whoever hits like 1,000 gifted first, I'll most likely get their name tattooed on me. Their Twitch name, not their real name. It'll be weird me walking around with a name like Andrew on my arm. I'll need to check who's up there though. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. Alright. I think we're ready to go, chat. I think we are ready to go. And there might be some like cheese curds, poop. Yeah, I don't mind. Because only I'll know the story behind it. COVID sucks. Ah, Gecko. Hey, what's up, cat? COVID can suck a fart, bro. Straight up. Alright, let's go. So first thing we have to do is prep everything. And then we'll come back to it. So I'll give you like a brief look at what this design will look like. What will it become? A designed pedal. 1 hour before surgery. Oh shit, bruh. Yo, what's up, brother Luke? Thank you for the 3 years as an Optimus. Oh wait, no. Oh, this is an Optimus Prime. Thank you, brother. Holy. 3 years already. Far out. Thank you very much for the Aroha, my bro. Yeah, so we drew this up last night on stream, pretty much. I was kind of just chilling out, and then I thought, hey, maybe I should just try an art stream, see what it's like. And yeah, bro, it was pretty cool. I enjoyed the whole vibe of it all, eh? So this is what we're gonna do. Damn, so you have to reschedule? Ratchet, my bro. Yeah, so this is it's a relatively simple, how is that a band phrase? So it's a relatively simple design that I'm going to be doing. So we'll kind of focus on this side for today because it'll need the most work done. Could you tell me what your favorite animal to draw? Oh, that's a hard one. I've got quite a few favorite animals, eh? Love gorillas, bears, and lions, and what's the one that lives up in the mountains? Is it a snow leopard? Bro, those are clean. And a crocodile. Happy Tuesday, happy Wednesday, fan. It's a pretty chill day here. I mean, it's always chill, but I think to be safe, we'll put it in the vice. Hey, what's up, Chubosaurus? Hey, that's a cool name. I like that. Yo, KK, you're good, brother. Drawing runs in your blood? Nice. Alright. That should be. Is that a good view? Let me know. Yeah, it's just so it's a bit more secure. Holy cow, that was loud. Thank you to the OG J Torres for the 245 biddies. Thank you, brother. The weather looks like... Oh, yeah, no, it's not too bad. It's sunny, but get the feeling rain's on the way, you know. Well, how you been, brother? How's Mop been? Bro, too much games to play, my bro. Not enough time. I need to hurry up and get the battle pass so I can grind for my T60 skin. It's the only reason why I'm getting that damn battle pass. But from all the TikToks I've seen with the cars, man, it does not look fun facing off against a car, eh? It does not look fun, man. In the words of Caesar, it does not look like a phenomenal gaming experience. Oh, I'm actually wing gear, bro. I'm still trying to get that bloody chin hat, eh? What do I need to do to get that? In Canada? I haven't even started on Canada. So the design we're doing is called Taratara Arkai. I swear you quit Fortnite and come back because of a skin. Yeah, bro, pretty much. Even Valorant, they got a bit of a Polynesian bundle going on, but I'm like, stay away from it, stay away from it, stay away from it. Thank you, Creative Crawl. I forgot I had an entire drought in my hand. Look at... Poured a bit on my lap. Hey, no one likes a wet lap, mate. They usually think people think you wet yourself. Careful, my man. Careful. Yeah, bro. As soon as I saw the T60, I was like, stuff you, epic. The rain might be hitting your way. Yeah, most likely. I don't mind the rain, though. Normally if it rains hard while I'm carving, I'll just turn the music off and I'll just stop talking and let everyone get stemmed up by the ASMR. chat. Normally smell the rain on the wind before it turns up. I had over 100 mils of rain in a few days. Oh, where's that gecko? I usually like rain, but I'm getting Hawkeyes with it and trying to build. Oh, a tree. That's right, I forgot you on your building vibes at the moment. Bro, that looks like a pretty solid setup you got. I just saw your photo on Instagram. Yeah, I was supposed to be in the city today because CG's got a big court case today. We were supposed to go around clamping all the cop cars just in case shit goes sideways. But we might miss it today. Hey, what's up, Sushi? Where the fuck came? Hey. 10 gifted, and I'll show you the foot. Did you see the other thing I posted? Bro, yeah, the Kuma shit. Bro, I told you last night I'll get one. $10 gifted, and I'll show you my foot. There's nothing to see. It's basically a bold version of a hobbit foot with a bit of a ropa, you know, there's cracks underneath your feet. Because I go bare feet everywhere now and again. They're like, Brox, where's your shoes? At home? Whoa, what's wrong? Can't a man walk around bare feet in his own country? I just say that to get cheeky, really. How do you luck out on the no hairy toes? No, I got some strands on my toes as well. Deep bassy voice. I'm not sure. Yeah, bro, the Kuma backstory, and I was talking about it too. I was like, fuck, gonna cry again, but watching it this time. Never used to be a fan of Kuma, but after like that, bro, I legit became a huge fan of Kuma. I remember seeing him for the first time in One Piece. I was like, who in the Crimson Chin is this guy? Dildo Swaggins. Wow, I haven't heard their name in ages. I know a lot of people that have that as the IGN. Apes together, strong. I need to watch the last one before I go and watch the new one. Apes together, strong. Say his words. What a wonderful day! Oh yeah, by the way, while I was gone, I made a cat tower. What's a cat like? When I see that, I think it's a tower of Cape Cats. Oh, the houses. Now I get you. Fuck, I'm a papega. It's like, hey, a cat tower. Now I get you. I get you now. My bad. I want the shit to say 8 together strong. 8 together strong. Say his words. Still the number one gorilla in that whole franchise. His old mate from the first movie. Old Buck. He was the top tier gorilla, man. I think the one chimp I get annoyed at the most is probably Blue Eyes. Oh man, he's annoying. Little shit. Or Caesar's son. Oh man, he's annoying. Didn't you play Valo as well? Yeah, but I'm just trying to stay away from Valo. Wait, really? In Thailand? Damn. Actuals. I don't keep up with the, with the world because I don't watch TV to watch the news. I don't watch TV, I should say. Oh, well, if it's pissing down tomorrow, I don't think the protests are going through. I'm walking in the rain. So I was going to stream it. So almost finished all these. When I stream something, yeah, bro. Like, all the viewing I do these days is Twitch. I was watching someone the night do Lego. They're doing a Mustang. It was just nice to just chill out and watch, to be honest. So we're just got to cut all these out, and then we've got to go over them again and start adding the ridge in the middles. So that's all we have to do right now. So that's our goal, is to do that. So what I'm doing is just like a prep cut. Oh, there's our rain. Let me just look over our cords real quick. Make sure I don't shock myself. Right, this is the last time I'll play this, and then I will just... Do you look it up? What do you mean, do I look it up? Like the design, or...? Rauponga. If I put another one in, that'll be a headache. Yeah, that's just a headache right there. But it does look better, so I'm gonna do it. Alright. Full ASMR mode now. Alright. There we go. So all the pre-cuts are done. What we need to do now is start butting them all. So that's all we have to do now. Is the rain loud enough? I want it to be. Thank you, brother, for choosing to support cure cancer. My stepfather liked to watch your VODs. He lost his battle. Hey, true golden guy. Ah, I appreciate you telling me that, brother. Just like you and many others, I had my reasons for wanting to do this. Someone who I highly respected in the carving world, or my tutor, his significant other's cancer returned, and I also did it for my boy Jack Hutto. He's a streamer as well. His dad's cancer returned, so that gave me even more of a reason to want to do it. Like, I'm proud of what we've raised as a community, and I'm glad it's going towards a good cause. Just like many of us in the chat, I bet, you know, we've all lost a significant other to this mate. But also much love to you and your family too, my boy. Okay. I'm full ASMR now. I suddenly remember you yesterday and had to check nowadays. So glad to see you're still going strong and show advice. Hey, cheer Teddy. Welcome back, good sir. Welcome back. It's always good to see like people that haven't been around in a while, and then they show up again out of the blue. which is good. Yeah, so we're gonna be just ridging a lot of these, chat. So that's like the next, kind of like the next thing we have to do. Like ideally you can use a V chisel, like if you wanted to. Just like go in and do that. That's what we're up to right now. So that's the go now. Well, that's the next process of this piece. It won't start popping till we add those notches in, pretty much. How stimulated is everyone's ears? How is YouTube though? Are you guys good too? Don't think I haven't forgotten about you now. So that's all we have to do, like ridge it all. So we'll do all of that and go back over it one more time. Just to clean up the corners. Love the rule, don't be an egg. Yeah, brother, had to add a bit of NZ slang in there. Brock's love the Crocs. Yeah, these are my work ones. I've got other ones too that I wear into town. They got my Sonic gibbets on them. Yo, peanut butt. Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime. Peanut butt. Alright, let's carry on. Let's carry on, laddie. The Mahi Crocs. Thank you very much, Peanut Butt. Yeah, is our rain gone already? Well, that was an L. Oh well. When's your birthday? September 23rd. I will be 33 this year. 33. I should really go to the dentist for my birthday, but I'm too scared of the dentist. I've got dentist phobia. Yeah, I've got the dentist phobia, chat, from school. Let me brighten it up a little bit, eh? What's your favorite Studio Ghibli film? I haven't seen much. I've only seen two, but I did like. What's it called? Princess. What's it called again, guys? You told me last night, but I forgot. Princess something. Momonoke? Is that it? My daughter just started watching it, and I just started getting a little bit invested in it, so I started watching it with her. Yeah, Princess Momo something. Momonoke, yeah, that one. I enjoyed that one. That was pretty cool. One moment, chat. Sorry for covering. Okay. Any recommendations on others I should watch? I know Spirited Away was mentioned quite a bit last night. Like recommended. That's the one with the dragon, eh? Entirely really good. Yeah, I'll give that one a watch. Probably watch it with my daughter, to be honest. Pocoroso, it's about a pig in a plane. Oh, okay. Down south feeling super proud. Oh, nice, bro. Well done. Well done, bro. Ui. Ciao for this grain, nah. Yeah, so although it is a simple design, it does take a wee bit. I've never seen you use a skew. Oh, I use it. I just forgot to sharpen it up yesterday. I was talking too much shit with the boys. As you do when you catch up. with the green, check. Go with the green. How long have you done this? In general, in life, if you're talking about in life, I started doing it when I was 12. It's the first time I picked up a chisel and carved, 12 years old. And have been doing it ever since. I'm 32 now, or for now. Birthday's not too far away. Ooh, here comes the rain, here comes the rain. Ear stimulation. I realize it's 8 degrees. Oh, really? How many times have we messed up? Do you start all over? We don't make mistakes, my brother. We make adjustments. I pretty much just leave them on there, brother. Gives them more character, eh? Well, that was something that was always taught. We don't make mistakes, we make adjustments. So like Bob Ross says, happy little accidents. Master Uguay, there are no accidents. Get a little bit dark as well, chat. I'm gonna cover this cord real quick. A moment. Health and safety check, just covering the cords. Health and safety. I need to brighten up our camera again. It's just my big ass body covering the light. Right. Carrying on. Whew, this is why we need a house with a shed. Fuck me, man. They gave me a fright. Sorry, chat, if that blasted the ears a little. That's kidding. My bad, my bad. Might move over into the light a little bit more. Oh, yeah. Woo, she's getting hard now. Mother Nature ain't messing around. I might post this up in VOD form and see how it goes too. Bruh, I'm getting wet. Tamaku haere aku kakahu there, chat. Clothes are getting wet. Fuck me, enemy setup. Okay, how am I gonna do this? Might have to push it back in the truck a little. Just gotta push my setup back into the truck a little, chat, so it don't get wet. Fuck. Ah, my chisels! Okay, gonna put some chisels away because I'm just gonna be using one for now. Nature problems. I don't care about my phone, it's fine. Hey, big dick man dingo. How are you, my brother? Good to see you popping again, brother. Hey. Much love, my brother. Oh gosh. Getting hit by the rain. Yo, Mandingo, thank you for gifting us sub, brother. Thank you very much, my bro. Whee! We're currently absolutely decimating this design whilst being decimated by the rain. I'm doing it because I love you. Alright. I need to save up and get one of your carving. Hey, nice. What do you jam, brother? What do you play? Oh, gosh. So the cover on the truck was the thing that was stopping the rain from hitting me, but now that it's kind of gone down. That a sucker. What can I use to make it stay there? If I see it drop, I'll try and catch it. Oh! Whoa. Looks like I'm just gonna have to get wet for the boys. and the girls. Oh well. I'm probably gonna get sick doing this. Just know I'm staying out here for you guys, alright? God damn it. Alright. Bye for now, good chicken. Just know I'm staying outside for you guys. Risking it all. Oh, 40s, bro. Yeah, I want to get back into it just for the T60 armor. That's about it. Because I was going to stop playing it and then, yeah, Epic decided to throw me a bit of a haymaker. Bit of a you can't leave. If the T60 was a shop item, then I'd probably leave, but yeah, it ended up being Battle Pass, so those buggers sunk their hooks into me again. Cheeky buggers got me again. I'm dying to get that T60, bro. Hard. Me too, bro. I haven't quite started on, I haven't even jammed the new season yet. I need to though, because the Dark Knight variant for the T60 looks so clean too. It looks so good. Oh, that is my pwn. Hey, what's up, Danny Burrito? How does it look from your guys' end? All good? Man, I'm gonna look back on these rainy days, where we finally have a shed. I'm going to look back on these days, shit. I finally own a home with a shed. And I'ma say, damn, we made it. You ever looked into Zulu sculptures? No, I haven't, brother. Yeah. I think outside of my own culture, the only like carvings I've looked at is pretty much the other styles within Polynesia. But I must say, if I wanted to learn like another carving style outside of my own, I'd probably want to be taught by them instead of like trying to do what they do. Just out of respect for the culture too. We appreciate you. Cheers, brother. So I'm just butting these up just to see how it's looking. Yeah. So it's just all these little things that I've got to do now. But the aim is to try, get it done today. Kind of started a little late too. mai o whānau. O hea koe no tū hoi me te arawa au. Is it Charter Kalemon? Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime, brother. Nā mihi nui, we are halfway to the daily sub goal. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Whew. Love the content in our great channel. Appreciate them, my brothers. This ahoy for a canoe night. Not being used for anything in particular, other than celebrating a birthday. That's about it, pretty much. Yeah, just what birthday? Subs a tour. Oh, what happened there, man? Slash untimeout. Another thing about me streaming is there will be no commentary. I might have posted a link, or might have been a comment that had no space. Maybe? Sorry, brother. Yeah, would have been the bot. Chat offline on YouTube. I don't know, YouTube, are you still here? Or is the YouTube chat playing up? Shouldn't be. Well, I hope not. Right here. No, they're still with us. They're still here. Ooh. No, they're still here. So I just chicken at the one over, chicken it out. Making sure it's all Gucci. Go. Smooth. Hey, appreciate that, my brother. Come back along the outside. It's the only thing with this design. It's just the butting of all the little stuff. But it's all worth it. I might try and chop my edited videos down to like 8 minutes. So I feel like 14 or 12 minutes plus some time lapses might be a bit too much. Might be a bit too much there, guys. And listen to music here. All good, man. Do your thing. Do your thing. Alright, thank you to Ness on Air for the raid. Kia ora, Ness on Air. Welcome into the stream to you and your community. My name is Brox. I'm a traditional Maori woodcarver, and this is what we've been up to lately. We're currently designing a hoe or a paddle for an up-and-coming birthday. Now, this commission is hits a little close to home as well, as it is my late uncle's commission that he unfortunately didn't get to finish. So it's up to me to finish it for him. But welcome. Steady hands. Hey, thanks, brother. Just want to make sure it's clean, eh? That's the main thing. Nothing more, nothing less. I'll most likely recarve some of these too, because the walls aren't straight up and down. But for now, I just want to get all the butting done. Or like the little stuff. Get that out the way. And now we don't have to worry about it, really. And we should the Baguchi. Watching you crafting your design in the background, I do mine, but behind the disc, keep it up. Hey, all good, Wheeler. What do you do, brother? Sorry, I'm nosy, so I just genuinely like asking because I'm nosy. Have you ever thought about doing camping stream? I have, but where I live is no signal whatsoever, and I don't want to buy Starlink. Oui. Bro, so much butting, man. Progress is making unbelievable. I absolutely love it. Hey, thanks, brother Zane. Hold on, shit. Got an ambassador message. Alright, carrying on, bro. Twitch ambassador. Man, the rain didn't last long, eh? Sedge, not gonna lie. Wait. Something in the way I feel. Whew. Is it cold there? Oh, a little bit, man. But you know, it's bearable. It was cold as before, but the thing with me is I'm willing to, you know, bear it in order for you guys to see it live. I don't mind it, like, doesn't take anything out of my day, you know. But I would rather you guys see me like get through this live instead of like in a VOD. That's just me personally. No, a lot of people are different, but yeah, for me it's a little bit of a pet peeve when I can't show you guys what I'm doing live, you know. It feels more fulfilling to me. Where's my little skew? Sorry, just looking for one of my chisels. There it is. Just doing a quick sharpen. I've managed to watch one of your streams for a long while. Love from the UK. What's up, brother? Wouldn't it be late there right now? Quiet, the car is mind blowing to me. Even the smallest of detail makes the biggest difference. Yeah, brother. So, like, currently, as you see it, it looks nice, but I'll most likely recarve it. The lines mainly because the wall is not cut straight up and down, it's kind of on an angle. And when you make the wall straighter, like for the notches that go within the lines, they pop up a bit more. Hence the reason why I'll give it the 1/over. One more time. But I'm just giving you guys like an understanding of what we're doing to get to where we need to go. That's kind of what these processes I'm doing are for. Like, it's a relatively simple design, but to make it look much better, cut it deeper. Deeper cuts give it a better emphasis as well, if that makes sense. Alright. It's the little things, it's just the little things. No, I sharpen my chisels myself. It's like my grandfather always said, like he didn't have chisels but he had a chainsaw. He always said to me, if you can't sharpen your own tools, then why own them? And that, that's kind of the mentality I have today. He was a very, very straight up individual. Thank you, Dark Monkey, for the Optimus Prime. Apes together, strong. Yeah, that was kind of like the way my grandfather saw it. And it's kind of the way I think now. So is this kind of a practice on, wow, there's peace, now there's a commission. All good, Zane. Clean. How we doing, guys? Is everyone all good? Hey, sorry. How are you, you amazing human being? Fuck, I should be in the city right now, but oh well. Oh, bye, my back. Can feel it in my back. Whew. It's coming out great. Thanks, brother. How you doing, Roxy? Yeah, not too bad, brother. Not too bad, honestly. Other than the rain we had, yeah, it's going good. I was supposed to start early so I could get in on the court case and clamp some cars, but I started late. But yeah, it's all good, brother. It's going good. Feels good to be designing again too. Trying to happen out, really? Let me check it real quick. Oh, man. Let me just check in a court case real quick, chat. Lord Gibbon. Oh, everyone's just up like K. Fuck. It looks like a lot of fun. Oh, I'm almost done, chat. With the butting anyway. Leave no wood tag untouched. Hey, what's up, Timothy? I'm glad to see someone else works in Crocs. Have to. Maximum comfort, my friend. Maximum comfort is a must. Oh yeah. Oh, almost there. What was your favourite meal growing up? Nan's cooking. Nan's baking. Anything my nan made. Grandmother's meals are just next level, man, I tell you. Nan's cooking, Nan's baking, all the above, Marvo. It's probably why I was such a chubbalub when I was young. Oh, almost there. Damn, bro. Hold up. I'll put it on soon. I'm just kind of tunneling right now. Tunneling on the important stuff, bruh. Whoo! Okay. Whew. Thank you very much to Hormondy's Revenge. Thank you very much for the biddies, my brother. Hey, are you reading the One Piece? Nah, just the manga, to be honest. I don't really watch it that much these days. Because reading it is way better. Keeping up with the source, eh? Keeping up with the source. That's what you want. Almost there, Chad. Can smell the ending of process 1. Oh yeah, shit. We'll have a carving table and shed one day. For now we endure. So back, gang. Oh, jeez. And this ain't even the start of it. But I definitely want to get this done today. Or this part. Little annoying sections. Oh, fuck. Whew. Almost there, chip. Almost there. Fuck. We're getting there, guys. Whew. Yo, Lego is making a Zelda thing? That's sick. Whew. I will get this section done today. I swear it. Hello, Gabby. Oh, almost there. Oh man, my back, Chad, my back. It's in pain, it's in pain. Send me energy, chat, spam emotes, please. I need you to spam the motes. Spam the emotes, please, chat. Any chat. Keep spamming, guys. Keep spamming. Oh, my back. Oh, keep going, chat. Keep going. Almost done. Thank you, Normandy Revenge, for these 6 months as a tier 3. Far out. Remember, Normandy, like I tell every tier 3, feel free to like cancel that at any time, eh? So I know how expensive those are. And that, oh, Normandy, thanks for gifting a sub as well. Damn, man. Whew. Oh, great. What I wanted to get is done. What I wanted to get done is done, I should say. Thank you very much to D. Thompson for the T1. Kia ora, Mr. Thompson. Oh, we got there. Oh, we got a hype train too. Hey, appreciate the hype train as well, fams. Much, 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 much appreciated. There it is, brah. Ooh, feels good, man. Feels accomplished, man. Hey, thank you for the biddies, man. I just love hitting goals I set for myself, hey, when it comes to Whakairo. It feels good. Setting myself like little goals to get to before the end of the stream. It's the best feeling ever. Hey, hard hand, what's up, my guy? If I have enough time, I'll probably fly in and get to that court case. But we shall see. I started pretty late, so... Good to be on there. Cookie's gonna be spicy. Hell yeah, brother. Me and Marcel were gonna just clamp all the cop cars, but I don't think he could be available. He was available today. So Big Mo's been hanging out with Marcel quite a bit. Yeah, I know he popped up a stream at silly o'clock, but I would have been snoring the night away, to be honest. Whew. You made some quick progress? Yeah, my bro. And, bro, this is only the starting process that we've done. After this, I'll look at the walls again of every cut. Just to make sure they are nice and straight. Straight up and down. And then that's when we add the notches in. But I'll add the notches in when we carve the other side too. I kind of want to do a passion project too. It's like a cheeky side one. I've been thinking of doing the CG logo, but with you know, a bit of Whakairo in it. Because you guys have legit made me enjoy RP again. Like, not only people in the game, but outside of it. And yeah, I've had it in my mind for a while, to be honest. Yeah, it's something I've been thinking about lately. Yeah, something I've been that's been sitting on my mind. And that's one side done. Prepped, I should say. Prepped, not done. Yeah, bro, like towards the end of 3.0, I gotta be honest, I let chat helpers get to me, and I was kind of like, you know, floating around the city, and then, yeah, that's when all the Zolo stuff started. So I got a lot of time for him outside of the city too, for that. And, you know, linking up with Mateo, Paris, and Marcel now, so I'm genuinely enjoying it again. Oh. Even, you know, the love from you guys too, from the community. Alright. So we've got one side done. So what we need to do after this, so when we've got the other side designed, that's when we'll go over one more, and that's when we start adding the notches into it. That's the plan. And that'll show a lot more, you know, it'll show off the design even more as well. Because this is just like simple lines, eh? So what this design represents on this side, like in terms of the formation, is raupunga. Raupunga is our fern. So if you look at a fern, it grows upwards, eh? And that's kind of what that side represents. I've decided to be that guy and do two different designs on the tongue. But they'll all be like the same design as a whole. Like Tara Tara Akai is the name of it. So the teeth of Kai is basically what it's called. He was a very ugly man with very ugly teeth. And that's where this tooth-like design comes from. But yeah, we'll do the other side tomorrow. We'll do the other side. And once it's all clean, and then we add those notches in. Like I want to do that all at once, pretty much. Yeah. So you can see it like pop even more. Tara Tara Akai is the first design also that I ever did on Twitch too. When the first Maori wood carving was ever done on Twitch. Little bit of a sweet potato flex. That's the only flexing I'll do, is that I did the first wood carving on Twitch. Yeah. So there's a proverb in our culture that goes, "Kāre te kumara e kōrero ana mo tōna reka." So what that translates to is, sweet potato doesn't talk about how sweet it is. Yeah, so like blow-assing. Gotta flex. Yeah, that's the only flexing I'll do, and having a world leader on my stream world first. Even before Hassan, I'll take that. I'll take that unnecessary W. Alright. Proud of yourself. That is true as well. Once... Oh, really, Jack? Oh, that's cool, bro. Alright, who's all on today? Alright. I'm gonna be that guy today. And I'm gonna finish up early. Normally I try and aim for 3 hours, but I got what I needed to get done today. So, in saying that, I will retire today too. Okay, I'm just looking for someone to raid. Should I just raid someone at the court case? Who's at the court case right now other than K? Zolo there? Yeah, no, I'm actually gonna go to the court case. I'll just raid Zolo, he might see me through his eyes. Alright, beautiful peeps. I am gonna go do my thing. I'm gonna go raid my boy Zolo. Please show him some love. He's in my recommended in my channel as well. Good peoples, good peoples. He's one of the guys that made me enjoy stream RP again, one of the many. Yo, Hardhead, thank you for the gifted 10 away from the daily sub goal today, but it's okay. You have a beautiful one, and I'll see you later. Eh? Che everybody. Bye, YouTube. Thank you very much, and I'll see you around.